All right, how to draw a golden spiral in Sketchup. To do so, first we need to draw a golden rectangle. So I have my camera facing straight down, parallel projection, and I'm going to hit R for the rectangle tool. Now in Sketchup it has a handy little thing. As you pull your rectangle out, it will snap to a golden section. So once it snaps to that golden section, you can hold the shift key down and pull it all the way out, or to whatever size you want. So I'm going to Control Z to delete that. So one thing you also want to be aware of is that it will also snap to a square. So and then if you hold the shift key down, it will pull the square all the way out. But we're after a golden rectangle. So once it snaps to a golden rectangle, I hold the shift key down, I can pull it out to whatever size I want. Now let's say I want a 24-inch long on one side golden rectangle. That's kind of hard to do here because you're just trying to guess about where it's at, or watching the right hand corner down here to see if you can get snapped right onto a 24. So it's a little bit difficult. So let's hit the T for tape measure, and if we go up and we type in 24 and hit enter, so now we have a place to snap to. So you can hit R for rectangle, manipulate your rectangle until it snaps to the golden section, hold the shift key down to lock it in, then go up here and snap to your layout line or your guideline. So if we hit the tape measure tool, now it's 24 inches that way. If you want it to go the other direction, you can hit R for rectangle, snap it to the other direction, pull it out until it snaps there. So now you have your 12 times the golden ratio. All right, so let's continue on with our spiral. Once you have your first golden ratio drawn in, hit R for rectangle, go to where it snaps to the golden section, hold the shift key down, and go down to the next line, to your bottom line. All right, so now to make sure that you're going in a spiral direction with your rectangles, I always go back up clockwise to the one that I was just on. So then I'll create my next golden section, hold the shift key down, whoops, pull that guy out, and then move over one, going clockwise. And just keep doing this. And you can just keep doing that and zooming in, doing that and going on and on forever. So, but now that you've got a sufficient number of squares to generate a spiral, grab your arc tool and start at the top here. And this is your pivot point. And then create an arc, and then go straight up to the next one, create your arc, and go straight over, and just keep working down the squares as you spiral in. Like I said, you can zoom in and do this forever, as much as Sketchup will allow you to zoom in, I guess. All right, there is our golden spiral inside of our golden rectangle.